What the fuck? Come on in! How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm gonna wait to unbox this tray, but your hair's the perfect person for this tray because I use so many bowls. Make yourself comfy.
How are you?
What you been doing?
Nothing. You look terrific,
Just
girl.
traveling, huh?
Yeah. Come get my hair done.
Just got back last night.
I was gonna ask how that
I ended up flying at one point for over 4 hours. Keep circling because they couldn't land, and then we had to come back to Texas instead of Oklahoma, and then we had to go back to Oklahoma. It was really interesting. Then we sat on the plane when we got on the plane for an hour because they had to have a mechanic coming on and off, working on the emergency doors.
That's
So,
where's the base?
what does it attach to?
Where's your base?
Oh, ha. I was like, I'm sure it comes with something like that, and I knew to put together. Yeah. After that's done,
Okay.
yep, just push.
There it goes. Okay. I'm like, yeah. Okay.
See, that's it. And then hole in there. Man, that's on there good, isn't she?
Done.
And then bowls are like magnetic and they don't slip off.
Potato.
Room. Silicone, that's genius. Ooh, she glides nice.
Appreciate that.
Did I make you eat it? Like you didn't eat it?
No, we ate the other fish city. Thanks for ordering my food.
Oh, we're back. My pleasure. And I'm not sure if it's part of my history, my first love being a bartender / server for so long, but I love making people try all the food around me that is walking distance right here in this location in Waxahachie. And since she drove 4 hours to see me, the least I could do was give her some food when she got here.
Because I'm using them.
I've been doing her hair for over a decade now, and it's just so luscious and beautiful, and she has the perfect straight hair, like just always beautiful. But she gives me pretty much full free range. We just like to do platinum and chocolate. Sometimes I throw in some copper, a really dark chocolate. You just never know. But here, since she does live 4 hours away from me now, and she comes from San Antonio to Dallas to get her hair done, I like to kind of just play with the two tones. That way the copper doesn't fade ugly or, you know, I don't have to worry about it. But this was her platinum from last time. And look how beautiful it still is, guys. If you get it light enough, it won't fade back to that coppery, brassy tone. And some pieces I go from making light to dark, dark to light. I try to keep most of the pieces dark, dark, and most of the pieces light, light, so I don't have to compromise her hair. I don't compromise her hair, but so that we don't compromise her hair. Anyways, you notice I switched over to the long roll of foil. I wanted to play with the foils that I got from Fremar just because they were holiday and they're pretty, but it doesn't make sense on my long hair clients. And I don't know why y'all don't use the long foil rolls because it goes to any length. But here also notice my favorite clip. This is the Olivia Garden. It's a 3-prong clip. I can slide it in to hold my foils out of place, and then also that top layer clip holds my hair out of place, and I don't have to keep moving my dang clip around. It's so awesome. You should try it. Mine's really worn out, but they're amazing, and it's rather large, and it holds quite well. 2 hours
80?
later of foiling
So
my
90?
whole head with lowlights and highlights, we are done. And after processing about 45 minutes, it is foil pull time, and my octa whatever is not sticking today. But look at all this foil that we waste. I mean, I know they have reusable foil, but Fremar is the absolute best foil, and I would not trade. No, not doing it. Do you tone before or after you shampoo? I was just wondering. Pilar sent me this violet toning shampoo and conditioner, and we are obsessed. It's like sagey, patchouli, I don't know, but it is earthy is what I say. So I get my clients, do you want an earthy or a floral scent? Because some people like one or the other. But look how pigmented. This is the conditioner, which I will say has more of a blue undertone than the shampoo does. But But we are going for a silver platinum, so this is gonna be amazing. I can't wait for you to see the results. But oh my gosh, we are obsessed. And just to play with the foam, because I've already pigmented her hair, and this is actually a lighter pigment, so it's pretty much pointless. But it's a toning conditioner, just like we just did, same brand. But it's not as dark, so it wouldn't do as much. And it's pointless for her hair today at this moment, but not pointless in general. Let me clarify. But we've already used what I needed to use for her. It's like I just put shaving cream on your head.
One that you only use like because you go to the gym.
She wanted to be a blonde. And she looks black. That would be 3 inches. Yeah? Above the nipple. Like that's what I like, Mom. Okay.
It's gonna grow out.
It is. It hurts so bad.
It's gonna grow out.
Goodness, it's short!
Yay!
Oh, that's real low. And now I can come this low. That's
nice.
I don't have to bend over. This is the colors. I can't see it. And it's clear. Oil. It smells so clean to me. Okay, now feel it.
Yes.
Different. Yay!
Yay!
I also never put the low lights around your face because you don't got them. Why do that? When it's brighter on the face. Ah, look at that dimension. Okay, you're free for another 4-hour drive.
Yay! Hopefully that won't be 3 months.